Hello friends, this is Rico from WMT CNC China. Today I'm glad to recommend you our Horizontal Machining Center HMC630. Horizontal Machining Center HMC630 has several advantages, including high precision and efficiency, versatility in processing various materials. These advantages make the Horizontal Machining Center ideal for the wide range of applications, including automotive, aerospace, and mold-making industries. HMC630 is with worktable size 630mm length and width, max loading 900 kg, spindle hole taper BT50, and spindle speed range. Okay, if you want to know more details about the Horizontal Machining Center, please follow us, WMT CNC. If you have any question or request, please feel free to ask us. We believe WMT CNC machines will help you very well.